because sometimes communication just gets so frustrating that I could never understand why it had to be so frustrating. And over the years, as I've seen this, it's become more clear. Here's what happens. As the sender, so if you're the one trying to communicate a message, you have a thought, a feeling, or an idea. So there's something in here that you're trying to communicate. And because we are not telepathic, we have to take that and translate it into language. We've got all the choices of verbal, and we've got all the choices of nonverbal language. Then we have to send that language along one of three channels of communication. So we're either going to do it in writing, or we're going to do it over the phone, or we're going to do it in person. If we're doing it in writing, then we are using only words. If we're doing it on the phone, we're using words and tone. And if we are in person, we're using words and tone and body language. So we've got all kinds of things playing into that interaction. Then it goes to the receiver. Now the receiver comes into this game with a lot of their own things. It passes through our filters. So as receivers, we're all running around with these filters. Everything we've ever experienced, lived, heard, seen establishes our filters. And then we have to decode the message that we receive. And once we've decoded it, it goes into our own thoughts, feelings, and impulses. So we have a thought based on that. And if we're really communicating well, we will give some feedback to make sure that we heard what we were supposed to hear. So that's the cycle. So do you see a few avenues for problems here? Just a couple?